What is Pancakeswap? What all can be done on this exchange? How to earn passive income through Pancakeswap? How to add your money on Pancakeswap? In this video, we are going to talk about it all. So first of all, let's talk about what is Pancakeswap. It is a decentralized exchange, unlike the other exchanges like Binance and Coinbase, on which you have to provide your personal information, do KYC to start trading. But here you don't have to provide anything. It works on the Binance Smart Chain and is an inexpensive alternative to Ethereum. So now that you know what Pancakeswap is, let's go to the website. So here is the Pancakeswap website. To open the website, you need to type in pancakeswap.finance, and you need to be careful because there are a lot of fake websites on Google if you type in. So this exchange is mainly used to swap tokens. Suppose I have BUSD and I want to convert it into USDT. I type in here the amount that I have, and here there will be displayed that the amount I will get. So when I'm swapping tokens, there is a fee that is charged by the website. So this fee will not go to the website. This fee will not go to Pancakeswap, but this fee will go to the person who has provided liquidity of USDT on this website for my transaction to take place. So this is how people earn passive income on this website. And this is how we are going to earn passive income on this website, by providing liquidity on the website. So how much can we make putting our coins onto Pancakeswap? So go to these three dots right here and go to info. Here there is information of all the tokens, the pools in which you can put money, and how much you're going to get over the year. So right here, the top tokens, of course it is BNB because it works on the Binance Smart Chain, this whole website. And then Pancakeswap token, all these. So down here, if you go to pools, there are combination of tokens. So if you put liquidity in these pools, so USDT versus BNB, in this you're going to get 25% of return in a year. So if you put $100 in the beginning of the year, at the end of the year, you're going to get $125. And similarly, there are these 8%, 64%, 84%, and so on. So you need to do the proper research. It depends upon you which pool do you want to invest in. So to add liquidity, go to this option right here and click on liquidity. And then whichever pool you selected in that information option, just click on add liquidity and then select a currency. So I chose USDT and BNB. So after this, you just have to enter an amount and click on add the pool, add the liquidity. And this is how you will provide liquidity on this website. And then you just have to sit and wait, and you will get the money, the extra money, like the 25% or 85%, whatever you chose. So this was it for the video. If you liked the video, please do share and subscribe. And if you are interested in this Pancakeswap, write in the comments down below. I will make an in-detailed video on how to do everything on this Pancakeswap. And subscribe to my channel for more videos. Give me suggestions of new videos, whatever you want to watch.